Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly view the first message in Messenger without having to scroll through all your conversations. Let's jump right in. To start, we'll need to download a third-party app. Don't worry, this one is safe, and we'll be getting it from the Google Play Store. So, open up the Play Store on your device. Next, search for Tap Scroll. Once you find it, go ahead and install it on your device. After it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. Once the app is open, you'll need to enable a few settings. This will allow the app to work properly. If it asks for any additional permissions, such as accessibility options, make sure to grant them. You'll see on-screen instructions to help guide you through this. After setting it up, head over to the Messenger app. You'll now be able to quickly scroll through your messages. To find the first message in a conversation, simply tap the top section of your screen. This will automatically start scrolling upwards. Keep tapping on the top section until you reach the very beginning of your chat, where you'll find the first message you sent. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If this video helped you, make sure to check out the link in the description to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.